Hi friends, welcome to KPB Coding Hub. In the last video, we have seen pattern number 54. Now we are going to discuss about the pattern number 55. In the 54th pattern, we have seen how to generate lowercase alphabets. Now my requirement is I want to generate uppercase alphabets. Okay, capital A. So next capital B, next A, next and after that B, C. So all these characters should be displayed in capital letter. That is nothing but my requirements. How to do that? Very simple, sir. Here the program is the same. No modifications at all. The program is the same. But ASCII value of a small a is going to start from 97. But the ASCII value of capital A is going to start from 65. 65. No, 66. So now we have to change this. Sir, here I am taking 95. 95. Okay, here I am taking 95. Sir, 65. Can I take here 65 plus j? That's all. Now let us see what will happen. Sir, it is starting from B. Okay. We are getting B. That means it is going to start from, it starts from 65. If you take 65, 65 plus 1, 66, which will become capital A. So it is the same like previous program, but in the place of lowercase alphabets, we are printing uppercase alphabets. Beyond that, nothing. I think you people understood how we are going to generate this particular pattern also, right? Thank you.